leak all of my edge. That's why I'm showing you my sniper bot here today, along with everything else. But inside the boot camp, I will get you up to speed to where I am, and we will be on the same page, and you will be able to be in my community, meet with everybody in my community, learn everything from me in short, concise videos, unlike these long YouTube videos that are really me just showing my work. You get a bunch of algorithms. You'll get all of this code that I built here today. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's actually forever, though, because I don't want anybody in there that's not absolutely crushing it. You can see all of the people having success with this as well. Just scroll on down, read through the reviews, and you, on top of that, you get this AI that codes backtests for me and all that good stuff. So let's go up in here and let's get this API working. Let's go ahead and go to bird eye documentation, bird eye documentation. Okay, there it is. Let me make sure I have the chat open as well so I can say what's up to you beautiful people. Let's go ahead and get this up to 10 likes real quick, and I will show you absolutely everything, and you will be exactly where I'm at. That's the whole thesis of this channel, is if I just show you exactly what I'm doing, you will always be where I am when it comes to this stuff. So I'm building this sniper bot with Bird Eye today, and you will be exactly where I am at the same point as I am, because you see everything live, and I'm not an AI, so that'd be dope though. So let's go ahead here and see a couple questions. Hey, how are you, bro? Mythic says, I'm doing good, man. How are you doing? Mythic, I might go ahead and release it later, but if you miss it, you can also just join the boot camp. It'll all be in there. AI bot builder, thank you for the idea. He said, let me save you some time. I got sent here by someone. You have to adapt your strategies based on market cap, the participant behavior, and regime models change. Since I see you import OpenAI, let's go ahead and make sure we get market cap, obviously. Let's see what else this guy said. You should be able to figure it out. And yes, no one wants to share it, because once you figure it out, it prints every day. Dude, I appreciate your tip there. Any other tips to get us going, that would be amazing. Just throw them in the chat. I know you probably don't want to leak edge either, but you know, my whole thesis here is learning to code is the great equalizer. You know, if you learn to code, you can build anything for the rest of your life. Doesn't matter what situation you're in. So that really inspired me when I learned how to code through algo trading. Number one, you know, I tried to learn how to code, like building apps and stuff, but I kept churning or building websites because it just wasn't that fun. But once I put money on the line, I was like, okay, I need to learn this. I need to learn how to code, because, you know, this is my money and nobody's going to be able to build a bot for me. I got to build my own edge into it. So I went on that path, and I quickly realized, dang, this coding stuff is not that much harder than anything else you learn online, a new website, a new app, or whatever, right? So that led me on the path to just say, hey, okay, well, I'm just going to keep doing this quant stuff, man, and I'm just going to share everything along the way. Because it was really hard to learn, in the sense, like, coding wasn't hard to learn, but it was hard to learn how to build profitable strategies and bots, because nobody wanted to leak their edge. So I'm just taking a different approach to this, because I'm still on the path and building every single day. And if I can show other people how to do this, then ideally this gives them enough inspiration to see I'm a regular dude that didn't know how to code, was scared to learn how to code, but quickly realized, hey, if I could automate my trading, I could be a much, much better trader. I can remove all emotions, and it's actually not as hard as people make it out to be. So please do share any ideas you do have along the way. You already dropped the market cap thing. Awesome. I'm going to look for small market caps under 500K. I know that's crazy, but you know, maybe even lower. We'll look once we get the data in there. So we just got to work through this API essentially. So this is going to be a kind of a documentation review for a while. I like to get really good at things before I move on to the next part. So we've got our AI working. We know we're getting things done today already because the AI is working. Now, I've already sent, to get their premium APIs, you actually have to like send a DM. Hopefully by the time you're watching this, you can, it will be automated. They said they're working on it. Let's go ahead and see premium APIs. So they have some premium APIs. Let's see here. But the public APIs of what we can work with today, essentially they don't have their payment flow set up yet, but hopefully by the time you're watching this video, they have that payment flow set up. And what I'm talking about here is if we go here, we go to Pro, Benefits. I kind of want to keep that page open though. We go to Pro, we go to Benefits, we go to Builders here. Once you're in the Builders here, you can see get started for free. Okay, great. But I know for a fact I need the paid, eventually, because you can see the free is going to get the token price, token information, and token list, which is going to be nice. But I really would like the open, high, low, close volume data, because then we can go ahead and put our stuff in. Like we can put our strategies in there as well. We have a bunch of profitable trading strategies that, we're trading against, some bots,